We're gonna smell this white tea, and it smells really good. I love this 24-hour sensitive protection. Tropical mango. 3 quick and easy steps. What's up? Oh my cuties. I'm sorry guys if the lighting is horrible. I tried to get, you know, a good spot where the light is, where the sun is, but the sun's like right on top of the freaking car. Look at my bend down like this. Then you'll be able to see me in the light. Besides the point, as y'all can see by the title today, we are going to be hygiene shopping at Walmart. I usually just shop at Target because y'all know it's so aesthetic, so nice, so calm, so quiet, just the place. But today we had to bring it to Walmart because I haven't showed y'all nice hygiene finds at Walmart recently, so that's what we're gonna do. I can't wait to get into this video with you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below what else I should do for this channel. And also, if I do not show a Walmart find that you have seen at Walmart, please put it down in the comments so I can try it out, because obviously I'm not going to get to everything in the hygiene section today at Walmart, but I'm going to really try. So yeah, let's get into this video. Let's head inside Walmart to do some hygiene shopping. The first section is gonna have to be toothpaste and a toothbrush, mainly a toothbrush, y'all, because I have some toothpaste at home, which like is a little squirt left, but we really need to get a toothbrush. So my favorite brand to get is Oral-B. I know a lot of people are a fan of Colgate, but I really like Oral-B. I love their soft bristles. This is a new type of soft bristle. I have not tried this one before. I usually just go for the regular soft bristles, but I'm not seeing them. Oh, here it is. So I usually go for like a bristle like this one. This one's really cool actually, because it has like toothbrush for the front and the back of your tooth, as you can see in the picture right there, which is really nice. I actually don't get this type, but it is Oral-B, so we're gonna get it. My bad. We're gonna get it. I usually get one. I don't see the regular type of Oral-B toothbrushes. I think that they're starting to switch them to these tough on stain, gentle on gum type. I usually get an Oral-B that looks like that, like, you know, a regular little brush, but I'm not seeing it. But this is really cool, so we're gonna try this one. They have a 2-pack, they also have a 1-pack. We're gonna get the 1-pack for now. It's pretty cool. Another thing that I like to get from Walmart, ooh y'all, see, it's always something every time I walk up in the store. It's actually quite annoying. But another thing that I like to get whenever I come into Walmart is I like to get their tongue scrapers. I believe everybody took it, but it is $49. I love tongue scraper. It really gets in your mouth and basically gets that bad smell out of your mouth. So that's why I love a tongue scraper. They only have these little steel ones, which aren't here today. I wish they had more type of tongue scrapers, but they don't. A type of floss I love is a twin line floss. These are Plackers. Oh, Placker got a new look. All right, Placker. They kind of look like they're trying to be like Grin for some reason. I love Grin double line. This is actually very nice. This is the first time this Walmart has the Grin double line, or Grin at all. As y'all can see, they run out pretty quickly. There's only just a couple. But I love to get the Placker twin line. They have the 300 pack, so we're gonna get this one. This is actually the most I ever had, I believe. So we're gonna get this one right here. Yeah, we're also gonna get some mouthwash. So y'all know my favorite type of mouthwash is Smart Mouth. I love to get TheraBreath too, and this is a nice little dupe for TheraBreath. You know, they have the Fresh Breath oil rinse. They also have this another one. This one's Smooth Mint scent, and this is Glacier Mint. I love those, but my all-time favorite is Smart Mouth. Both of these type of like formulas work. This one's All Day Confident, and this one's Strengthening Formula. We're just gonna get this one right here. So yeah, so another good product for inside Walmart that's good for your teeth for like toothpaste is, well, let me just tell y'all my favorite type of toothpaste is Crest 3D White Brilliant. So we're just gonna get this off the back because I love it so much. It works amazing. I know a lot of people love this extra white, and they also have a sensitive gum extra white. Oh, here it is. It's by Equate. A lot of people like this dupe for Sensodyne. Yeah, a lot of people love this 24-hour sensitive protection, strong and healthy teeth brand right here. And a dupe for that is this Equate sensitive toothpaste, which is good. But you know, I tried the Equate sensitive extra white, which works cool, but you know, I just have to bring it back to Crest 3D White. I love that brand. It always works amazing. But what I can say is my favorite type of whitening strips definitely have to be Equate whitening strips. So they have this professional, our whitest white, and they also have this ultra white. So I usually go for the ultra white one. I haven't tried the professional whitening white. I know that the ultra white is a 7-day treatment. It's 7 or 5-day treatment. What is this? How many treatments is this? It does not say actually. 3 quick and easy steps. Wear for 30 minutes. A nice smile. Oh, okay. You have to do it for 20 days. So this one's for 20 days. Oh wait, no, I mean this timeless white. This is the one I usually get. Woo. Yeah, I dropped something again. Let me put it up here. Okay. So, my bad. I usually like to get this Equate whitening strip, which is this timeless white. And you just have to use it for 10 days. I said 7, but it is 10 days, y'all. You don't have to use it for all 10 days because, you know, you'll see results immediately. So yeah, and it comes with 20 whitening strips in a pack, so that's very nice. We're now going to move on to lotion, and they have EOS in here, which is so crazy because every time I come into this Walmart, they never have EOS, like ever. And they have my favorite brand, Vanilla Cashmere. I don't want to get this one because it looks like somebody had opened it, so we're gonna put it over there. But they do have multiple, so I believe they just restocked. So we're gonna get this one. I love this smelling lotion because it smells like a latte, so we're gonna get it. Another type of good lotion is Alvino. This is a stress reliever moisturizer. I believe I got this one before. It's really nice and soothing. I love the smell. Y'all know I don't like lavender too much, but I do like Alvino's smell of lavender. I feel like it smells really good. I also really love Dove's Ultra Restore lotion. This smells amazing and it feels so great. They also have Deep Nourishment. This one's pretty good too, but I like the smell of the Ultra body lotion more than this one, but both of them work the same and feel really nice. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is we are going to head to the body wash and the body scrub, all of that. Hey, I feel like I'm going through this so quick, but you know I'm trying to put y'all on efficiently and fast. So let's go. Okay, wait y'all, before we go to the body wash, I really need me some cleanser because I ran out. So let's see what cleanser I want to try. Oh my goodness, I remember this one, this Gentle Skin Cleanser by Equate Beauty. I actually really liked it. This one, it worked good, but y'all know I love this brand cleanser, Nutrigen. I love their cleanser, but like they don't carry that cleanser in here. They only carry it in Target, and literally whenever I went to Target, they did not have it. So we're just gonna get this Gentle Skin Cleanser for all skin types. This is a non-dry formula, won't irritate sensitive skin, so we really love that because, you know, I do have sensitive skin and I don't want my skin to like be hurting or nothing like that. So we're gonna get the Equate Gentle Skin Cleanser. I also want to try the CeraVe foaming oil for dry to very dry skin. Well, I don't have dry skin, so should I really try it? This is a foaming oil, y'all. I don't know, because I know people were telling me, I know y'all were telling me in the comments to try this one, but I don't have dry skin. I have very oily skin, like very oily skin. So I'm not gonna try it because I feel like that will kind of just mess up my skin. But if you do have dry to very dry skin, you should definitely use this one because a lot of people were talking about it in the comments. They also have the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Should I get it? I don't know, because I love Pase's moisturizing face cream, but a lot of y'all was hyping this one up right here, the CeraVe moisturizing cream. They say it lasts all day, feels very good on the skin. So yeah, now what we're going to go to is we are going to go to the body scrubs. I'm literally going to put y'all on. Walmart has one of the best body scrubs. They literally have, like, all these scents are really good and it works good, so you know that's a double plus. I love their tropical mango scent, their watermelon scent, their vanilla scent, and their island coconut scent. So we're gonna smell which one we want, because y'all know we usually get Tree Hut if we don't see Soap and Glory, and Walmart does not carry Soap and Glory. At least not this Walmart. I know another Walmart carries them, but this Walmart doesn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get one of Walmart's body scrubs. So we first want to smell them to make sure, you know, it smells good or whatever. So I'm just trying to set y'all up so y'all can see. Okay. So we're first gonna smell this tropical mango. Yeah. But I'm not really feeling like a tropical mango right now. Okay. Let's smell watermelon. Okay, yeah. I'm feeling watermelon. So we're gonna get watermelon. I do not have to smell the rest because watermelon is just such a vibe right now. So we're gonna get it. Put it in here, y'all. Hold up, because y'all know I do not like when my basket is all messy with my hygiene care products. So we're gonna have to straighten that up really quickly. You know, I got my cleanser by Equate, got my EOS body lotion, vanilla cashmere scent, got my Shea Sugar Scrub, watermelon scent by Walmart, got Equate, timeless whitening strip, got Mouth original all day confident bad breath prevention for 24 hours, crushed 3D white brilliant, got Placker twin line, and we also have a new toothbrush by Oral-B. So nice. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here to the body washes. Ooh, I also need to get me some hand soap. Okay, Dove has very nice body washes, so I'm gonna smell their hand soaps. But before I get a hand soap, I really want to get a body wash. So the last body wash that I had tried was this coconut rice milk. It wasn't this one, it was a different type of coconut rice milk. I really like that scent. I also really love the Pure Peace by Method Body. I already have a coconut and coffee scrub plus wash, so we're not gonna get another one. But if you have not tried this yet, please try it. I smelled Harry's body wash because I know a lot of people typing these up, but I really am not a fan. I feel like they smell too manly, and like also because I believe they are like a boy's body wash, but I didn't really like the smell of them either. So yeah, I know Olay has nice body washes. Like the last couple of body washes that I tried that I really liked was this white strawberry one. I really like this scent. It smelled really good. I liked the pineapple and coconut water. I also liked the shea butter scent. It smelled really nice, really fresh, relaxing. And I also tried their coconut oil, which was amazing. So I tried a bunch by Olay. I really liked it them. I also tried Alvino body wash, which felt so good, just like their lotion. But we are going to get a native body wash because I had not like tried a native body wash in a minute, and I love native brand. So we're gonna get the coconut and vanilla because I know what this smells like. Oh, I want to smell this white tea. I've always seen it, but I never smelled it. So we're gonna smell it, see how it smells. But my all-time favorite is the coconut and vanilla, and also the cucumber scent, but they don't have the cucumber scent here because I think everybody already took it. So yeah, so we're gonna smell this white tea and obviously this coconut and vanilla just for the fun of it. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna smell the white tea. Okay, I don't know y'all. I know a lot of people like this white tea, but I'm not a fan. Not a fan. So coconut, vanilla. Yeah, I like this scent. It smells really nice. I don't know, it doesn't smell like a vanilla. Maybe it smells like a mixture actually. I don't know, but it smells really nice. It smells a lot like the deodorant, like the scrub deodorant. So we're gonna get it. I wanna get me another body wash. Oh, before I get me another body wash, let me look at these hand soaps. I know a lot of people be hyping up this Junior Waskins body wash because it's like very nice. So I really like the packaging actually. They have, you know, a refiller, but they have the lemon, cherry blossom, orange, lemon, I don't know how you say it, but ocean breeze. I'm feeling ocean breeze. I don't know, I feel like that would smell really good. And I also want to smell the cherry blossom, so we're gonna smell those. Guys, I'm sorry, I gotta be in a weird little position because I gotta open these to smell them. And these are like foam washes, and I love foam hand washes. Ooh, this smells really good. Okay, I'm already pulling towards cherry blossom. Now let's smell Ocean Breeze. If both of them smell good, we might just have to get both, because you know, you can never have enough of anything. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I need to get a candle of this Ocean Breeze scent, because oh my goodness, like it smells so good. Okay, so I know I never get hand washes with y'all, but these smell really good. I really like the Ocean Water more, Ocean Breeze more, but we're gonna get both of these because you can never have enough hand wash. So yep. Okay, so I wanted to come over here and get a Dove body wash, but they don't have my favorite scent. Like right now, I really love the oatmeal scent by Dove, but they don't have it over here for some reason. So we're just gonna get another Olay. Let's try one of these, little moisturizer ribbon plus. So what is the scent? I do not see what scent this is. Oh, okay, this is Blue Lotus. This one's a honey, and this one's a blossom. So we're gonna smell these, see which one we like better. Whichever one we like better, that's the one we're gonna get. I really like the white strawberry and mint, but I want to try all the little scents of Olay before, you know, I go back to these other scents, because that's what I do for Triad too. I like trying all the scents out and then I go back to the ones I've already tried. So that's what we're gonna do with this. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, first we're gonna try this blue one. We're gonna smell the blue one. I actually don't like this one, actually. I don't know, it doesn't smell bad, but at the same time it doesn't really smell that great, so I don't know about that one. I'm gonna smell this honey one. This actually smells pretty good. I like this one. This one's like relaxing. It smells like it makes you feel like really soft and everything. Y'all, sorry about the camera. Like, I don't know what's going on with my camera today, but don't mind it. Okay, so now we're gonna smell this blossom. Well, I like this blossom too. We just don't have to get both. Y'all know I love getting a bunch of body washes and a lot of different brands of body wash. So we're gonna get this Olay Blossom body wash. And we're also gonna get the Olay Honey body wash. So yeah, oh y'all, I almost never forgot. I cannot forget my sensitive skin bar by Dove. Y'all know this get my skin looking so pretty and soft. Love that. Literally, if y'all never tried this before, please get it, because you will not be disappointed at all. And then for my sensitive skin girlies, like I know some soaps do be irritating your skin, and for me personally, I like to wash my face a couple of times whenever I'm showering. So the sensitive skin Dove body soap bar really helps, you know, me clean my face really nicely. And you know, whenever you're in the water for a long time, it opens up your pores, and so if you have sensitive skin, that can really irritate your skin. But if you're using the sensitive soap by Dove, it does not. So I really like that. And yeah, this is everything I'm going to be getting today. I'm going to be getting me some hand soap, 2 hand soaps. This one's Ocean Breeze, this one's Cherry Blossom. I'm going to get me 3 body washes, Native, 2 Olays, sensitive soap by Dove, Blacker, Twin Lime, not Olay, but Oral-B toothbrush. And this is a new toothbrush that I'm trying. Really nice. I'm gonna tell y'all if I like it or not. I know you can never go wrong with EOS. Veneer Cashmere Gentle Skin Cleanser, because I really needed me some cleanser so bad. Got me some Shea Sugar Scrub, and I love to have a bunch of Shea Sugar Scrub at my house, because you know, I might not be feeling like a Blue Lagoon, because I know I literally just got Blue Lagoon, but you know, I might not be feeling like a Blue Lagoon. I might be wanting to smell like a water balloon, you know. So got us a watermelon one. We also got some more whitening strips, because you know, I want my teeth to be very white. I want them to look like some, what do they call them, veneers? I believe that's what they call them. So I want them to look like those little nice white teeth. So you gotta get some of those. You know, Crest 3D Brilliant White really helps with whitening your teeth. And then I also had to go and get me some Smart Mouth. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below what else I should do with this channel. Peace out, love you guys. Mwah.